I believe you have encountered situation like this, that you have a table with one column like this or more column. You have some invalid criteria, like if we have archive or backup keyword, then those are invalid one, and you want to filter out this table for those one. Basically, this video is for nested each demo. If you look at this line of M code, then I have just written that select roles and then select from the source, not list.anyTrue. So you can say each, and we have another each, that means this nested each. So basically what we want to see that for each of this row, we can find out that if you have this invalid keywords in the file name, so you may wonder that, okay, so this one, this each, and this each, so this one is for outer one. As a human being, understand that this one is for outer one and this one is for the inner one. So you can understand that, okay, we can just say file name and then this, and you get this, that we cannot apply field access to type text, and that is because this one and this one, this are basically the nested each. Okay, and that's causing the problem, and you want to, like, say that, okay, this one is for the file one, that means this outer each, and this one is this one for the inner one. And to do that, just get rid of this and just say row, and just replace this underscore with that, and you're good to go. Thank you.